and basically it's paint that comes with a sealant on it, and when the legs collapse on this, the paint doesn't like smash off. So I'm going to be basically getting duct tape, wrapping duct tape round and then painting it, so it's going to be like stripy blue. It's going to look great. I'm going to do it for the little one as well, but the little one's going to be different, so yeah. 767 Icelandair. We're going down.
Takeoff.
Yeah.
You want to look down?
I suppose it's a good thing the radar not being on screen. It may have made it look a bit cluttered. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's the one I got cancelled on. No.
Really talk to the plane's takeoff person.
What are they watching? Maybe not. Sounds like they're playing loads of arcade games. Well, it sounds quite sad actually. So I could have a tripod facing here. Wouldn't be on the camera. So trying to be respectful of that.
Hello Noah, how are you?
Nelly's in the chat.
How are you?
I think it's fine like that. That wire's bothering me though. It really is. That kills my battery. Actually, I think it'll be alright actually. That was an interesting takeoff.
Grayson, just stand up, we've got another one coming, look, there's one coming into land.
You'll find that both the flights
that could have been me last year.
Where the EasyJet flights that traffic coverage away
It's going into the cloud.
Look, just watch this one take off and then we'll go get a drink.